How to make an Instagram business account quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a very easy tutorial on how to create your own business account on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up instagram.com, and you can do this on your phone or even on your laptop. So I have opened up instagram.com on my laptop so that I can show you clearly. The process is going to be same on your iOS or Android. So once you get to Instagram, you will open up any account that you have created. So we need to create a business account. For that, click on your profile icon here, then click on settings. In settings, you have to scroll all the way down to switch to professional account. This is a blue option that you will be getting within your settings. Click on this one. All right. So our process has started. First of all, which best describes you? We are creating a professional account, and we have a creators account for influencers, artists, and content producers, or if you want to go with a local business brand organization. So we are creating business. So I'm going to select this option. Next. Then we have learn about your followers, reach your customers, get new options. Click on next. All right. So we have to select a category. In here, we can select any of the categories. We have artists, we have personal blogs, and art, musician. Now it depends on us, like what kind of category you deal in. If you sell product and services, then you will select this one. If you have like shopping and retail, you can select this one. So I actually deal in, health and beauty products. So I can either go with like product and services or health and beauty. So I'm going to go with this one right here, health and beauty, and click on done. Switch to business account. Switching to a business account will make your Instagram account public. Anyone will be able to see your content, and all pending follow requests will be approved. So the account that I have right now will be switched to a business account. Keep that in mind. So for example, I logged in with my simple account, and if it was a private account, then it will be a public account, and the requests that I have, they will be approved. So you will just click on continue, and it will just take a second to create your own business account. Okay. Review your contact information. So you can enter some of the information here, and if you want to show it on your profile, for example, your email address, your phone number, then you can select the option of show contact info on profile, or you can switch it off. So you have email, phone number, address, and what you can do is, or you can just say don't use my contact info, but of course you will enter and click on save right here. After that, your Instagram business account is ready. So it actually takes like 2 minutes to create your own business account. Now, go to the mobile app to learn about this is my, account name. I will actually just change it and show you. With insights, display and edit contact buttons, manage your new business account on desktop with Business Suite or Creator Studio. Now, with our Instagram business account, we will also be able to access the Meta Business Suite. If you already use Facebook Business, then you will know how to use Meta Business Suite. There are already a lot of videos on the channel to help us manage our accounts better, our Instagram or Facebook, using Meta Business Suite. So for now, I'm just going to click on done, and my Instagram business account is created. Let me show you how it looks, and we will change few of the things. First of all, they're actually showing me that few of the requests that I had are approved now. All right, and some of the people started following me just now. Okay, perfect. So we have our name, we have our bio and other things here. So we're gonna customize the name. This was like my username first, but I'm gonna change it to my business name. My business is called Beauty for Us. It's a beauty brand, so I'm gonna change my name to this. Similarly, we have our name here, so I'm gonna change it to Beauty to Us again. You will just enter your brand name. Okay. So we have website. If you have a WordPress website, a Wix website, a Squarespace website, any website for your e-commerce business that you have here, you can enter it here and available on your Instagram. We have bios. Of course, I'm going to change the bio too, and you will add the bio for the first time if you're not changing a simple account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the bio, and here what we do is we enter our business details. So that's what I'm going to do. So I have added some bio here. You can also add your, website or any of the link you want. So here we have our business profile. It looks quite similar to your own profile. And now in our settings, I will be getting some of the more options that we do not get on our simple account, such as professional account. Then we have like apps and websites. We have privacy and supervision right here. Emails from Instagram, embed and report a problem. So you will get like more access to your account because it's a professional account now, and I will be able to kind of like check a insights and analytics. We have our own Meta Center and a business suite. So if I click on professional account option here now, so you will be able to see category health and beauty. Then we have like a label, we have supervision, business address. So you can enter an address here, and you can also select that how would you like to be reached, call or text. You can enter your email address here, and I will select call and enter my public business information. Make sure to enter this information when you create a business account on Instagram. We are also now getting our emails from Instagram option, websites and apps that we can embed because we have a business account now. So it's very easy to use Instagram, and Instagram does not complicate things for us. Just switch your simple account to your business account like I showed you, or you can create a brand new account. Enter the business information that you have, and you will also be able to access your Meta Account Center. Now you have your own business profile to manage with your Meta Business Suite. You can get started with your profile now. Click on edit profile again, and it will take you to the same option where I showed you how to change the name and everything. Let's click on view profile. Again, it was my simple profile that I just changed. So I actually need to work a lot here. I will be able to change the post that I had, and I will change a few of the different things. For example, I will create highlights here. Now it's going to be very similar like a simple account. You will post about your business account. When you create a new business account, I will suggest adding few of the images and videos, reels, so that people when they visit your account, they know what it is about. If you're selling a product, if you're selling a services, then make sure to add, like, if you have business and you want to sell, so you what you will do is you can add the shop option too. So it depends on you. Now customize your business profile that you got on Instagram, and you will be able to run a successful business on Instagram. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.